Hey, what's up guys, NuttyNu here. Just did a quick install on my truck here. Just added a new 42-inch curved LED from Amazon. The brand is Nightlight. It's not the best brand, but honestly, for the stuff that I do, off-road and stuff like that, I don't need like the top brand in the industry, like rigid industry, etc. So I did a very basic install. I went with the hood mount. Just because I've done it before and I love the hood mount. You guys can see right here, it really doesn't block your view and there's really not much glare. Of course, I haven't really tested it because it's not dark yet, but I'll do a video soon once it gets dark. So the 42 inch is installed really easy. And then I had the switch all the way down here with my air locker. It's down here. I really wanted to put it right here, but usually there's a slot for it, but in this particular 95 pickup model, there wasn't a slot for it. And honestly, I didn't feel like drilling through my dash right here. And this one was already taken by my front locker. So I decided to put it way down here. It works fine. Here's what it looked like. And once again, since it's not one of the top brand, I did end up putting some silicone just around it and around the bolts, just to kind of weatherproof it a little bit more. So you see earlier, I have a drill here. I was gonna put it right here, but then below the hood there's some chunk of metal that's blocking it, so I ended up moving it's roughly about 13 inches from this point here to the end of the hood, and roughly about 4.5 inches on the side. Did a little quick drill here. The wire might get shaved over time, so I'll probably end up putting some silicone around it to kind of hold it in place, just so it doesn't vibrate from here and here. Alright, let's wait till it gets dark and I'll show you guys a nighttime video of what it looks like. Tonight's not the best night to do a quick test because when it's snowing, you guys know how it is when it's snowing, you got LEDs on. So far I'm loving it. It's actually at the right angle. So I'm not gonna do any adjustment. I'll do some adjustments tomorrow when it's not snowing. But if you guys can see from the GoPro video, it was really good. Let me know what you guys think.